Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create WhatsApp stickers, and in order for us to create stickers, we need to install a specific app onto our phone, and the name of the app is Sticker Maker. So go over to our Google Play Store and search for that app. And once the app has been installed, click on Open. And then tap on Create a new sticker pack. Give it a name. And the author, which is you of course, and hit create. And then tap again on the new created sticker pack and tap on the first sticker, which is number 1. Tap on it. And here we are presented with several options, like from where we want to take a picture from. So you can either take a picture right away, choose a picture from your gallery, or from a selected file, or text only. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to choose one from my gallery. Tap on my gallery to give access. I say allow. And I will choose one. Okay, so there are several options here that we can use. I will choose the freehand tool and drop around the image to create my sticker. And once I'm done, I hit on Save Sticker. As you can see, the sticker has been saved. So now I can just hit on Tap to WhatsApp. And I need to confirm it again. Would you like to add WhatsApp? So I hit yes to add the sticker. It will be stored on your WhatsApp, and you'll be able to use it whenever you can. And of course, you can create multiple stickers using the same app. So guys, if you have loved this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment area, and also to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.